Listen now. Hello everybody, this is Thailier. Again in this video, I'm going to talk about a topic, very serious topic I'm going to talk about. This topic is very serious. Why it is very serious? First thing is that in this place, that is where Asia lies. Asia's place, the place name starts from I. That you can understand the place name which I'm talking about. I'm talking about a very serious topic. This is a very serious talking topic I'm talking about. The thing about there was thing nobody wants to stay here. If a new artist generates here, if a new businessman wants to generate here, wants to stand here, the person doesn't stay here. What is the reason behind it? There's a logical, rational reason behind it. Why nobody stays here? Why nobody stays here? The point is that why nobody stays here in this place of Asia that begins with the letter I. Nobody stays here. The point to understand here, nobody stays here. Why nobody stays here? One has to understand why nobody stays here. If a doctor, if a businessman, if technological persons, new technological persons, whoever it is, there is a vast thing here. First thing I'm going to talk about the psychology. The psychology of this place that begins from the letter I is totally drastic. They are totally uneducated. They do not have any psychological sense. They are totally in a verge. Their mentality, their psyche is very different. So whoever is having some quality, creativity with them here never stays here. They move to out from here, from out from this Asiatic place that I am talking about. That becomes from I and okay, I. Particularly, I'm talking about I that gets out from this place, totally gets out from this place. I'm talking about it, totally gets out from this and never returns. I'm saying it never returns. Never ever returns because there is nothing in this place to grow with the creative endurance, creative endeavor with that person having here. For example, a doctor, an artist, a business person, a technological person, a highly qualified technical person, or having an pursuing an ability of technology. Pursuing an ability of technology never stays here. Nobody stays here. They move out of here. They move to somewhere else. In somewhere else. They never stay here. The point is that here's psychology, mentality, living, everything, each and everything is the worst of the worst. I'm saying about the worst of the worst. Worst of the worst. I'm saying this is the worst of the worst. Whoever is listening to this video, I'm making this video for not that praise people. I'm making this video for a broad, for out, for out of Asia. I'm making this video. I'm declaring it right now. I'm declaring it here in this video. I'm making this video for out from Asia. Totally. So whoever is watching this video, get through the place which I'm talking about. You could understand which place I'm talking about. The psychology behind the place, the whole structure, whole system of that place is the worst ever system ever exists in the world. The worst ever population ever is in this world. The worst ever mentality, the most worst ever psyche, the worst of the worst ever psyche ever exists. This place is that. And growth. If a creative person stays here, just dead. The person get dead. That's the reason millions gets out, fly out, runs out, chase out, totally out. And they build great when they are out from that place that I'm saying that begins from I. The psychology, the psyche, the things are here as this place is that. This place is that. Nobody understand a creative person here. Nobody understand what a creative person can do here. Nobody understand. The point is that nobody understands here what the person can do, what the person has the ability with it, what the person can do in business or artist or entertainment or technology or science or any growing field or any research field. There is nothing research called here in this place. There is nothing called research. Very many one two centers we can remember or name or call them. There is nothing in these centers. The whole system management is zero. Worst ever system. The whole system I'm talking about, from all the system, the worst ever system ever here exists. There's no opportunity for growth, no opportunity for anything here. Any creative person never stays here. They always move out from this place. This is a call to whoever is watching this video. This is a call to you. If you're watching this video, I'm checking it here. This is a rigorous call to you. If you are watching this video, get out from this place. Get out from this place. At any situation, just do anything. Just do anything to get out from this place. The worst ever place. I'm saying, directly I'm saying. And this video is not for that aesthetic people, aesthetic place. This video is from abroad. This video is going to upload only out of Asia. I'm saying it. This video is going to upload out of Asia. I'm saying it with my thing. I'm saying it. Yes, this video is going to upload out of Asia. And whoever is here, just watching this video, just stay here. Stay there. Stay there out of Asia where you are. In out of Asia, just stay there. Never come back. I'm saying it. Never come back in this place ever. Never ever come back. Your life will become the person you could remember that starts from the letter S. What has happened with the person, what has happened with many other persons here who come back here for something called their land or something called emotional bonding, emotional touching, that this is our place, this is the land, this is something, this is that, emotional grudges that brought them here. Just lie them dead here and nothing. The emotional grudges lie them dead here. I'm saying it precisely here. Many comes here after doing great outside and they just lie dead. Their emotional grudges brought here and they are totally dead. No growth here. I'm saying the one word, no growth here. If you are highly creative and you're doing great in your field, stay out from Asia. This place, I, that begins from I. You know what the place is? The greatest of the population, the worstest of the places. There is no growth, no scientific and development. Whoever enters into a scientific place, that goes ahead to abroad to get out. That person gets out easily. That person out totally. So this is a video today I created. Thailier here, making more powerful videos, dynamic videos for awareness, for growth, for lucrativeness, for business, for everything in the growthest of the growth of the growth. Being there, watch it, Lavish Eternal Transcend, Thailier.